Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Some of you have even dubbed me the queen of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it is the Saharan by Juvia's. I also have a giveaway going on for with collaboration with ESW Beauty, as well as one for Jeffree Star. I will put all of the information for the giveaways in the description box down below. It'll take you to the different videos, talks about how to enter each of those different giveaways I have going on. So today we are talking Boxycharm. This is the premium box. So you have your base box, which is $25, which is 5 full-size products. This is your premium box, which is 6 full-size products for $35. Next month, the premium box, and they've never done this before, next month the premium box will only carry one brand, and that brand is Fenty. So I'm super excited. I've never tried anything from Fenty before, so I'm really excited about that. I did see some spoilers of what some other people got in their base boxes, and they're all kind of random. In their premium boxes, and they're all kind of random. I know that I saw that Joe posted a thing where everybody was gonna get one of the items in here that has been on my wish list for a long time. I really wanted to try this product. So I don't know what shade it is. I don't know if it's gonna be flattering. I don't know any of that. So let's dive in, see what's in here. I do have a code if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm. It'll help you out, and it just gives me some extra bonus points to spend on products as well. If you don't wanna use it, that's okay too. Let's dive in and see what's in here. There's always a card that talks about the products. It does list, the Boxy pop-up is going right now. So on the back, it has a couple of different items that you can get from the pop-up store. It has Luxie brush set, a Benefit product, and some Glam Glow products as well. It does say that the next pop-up will be in May. It does also list some items that will be in the Luxe box. Now the Luxe box is $49. It ships out every quarter. So in March is the next Luxe box. It looks like there's gonna be 8 to 9 beauty products worth over $279 for only $49.99 every 3 months. And it shows the Tarte, the PMD, and a NARS lipstick. One of the things that's still on my wish list for makeup is the NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. Never tried that blush before, and I've heard that it's kind of universally flattering, so it's kind of one of those things that I've always wanted to try. Now, speaking of blushes, this is what has me so excited for this, like a kid in a candy store. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Discover a new way blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines custom lighting effects for an ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color. Retails for $40. Remember, all products in the Boxycharm are full size. Let's open it up. I've heard so many amazing things about it. I think it's gonna really work. So here's what the packaging looks like. They're really pretty kind of gold. It does have a little mirror on this side, and then look at this color. I love that the blush has, you know, kind of the marble effect, which almost has a highlight in it. I do have a little bit of blush on, but let's put some more on because I really want to dive into this. Ooh, a really pretty sheen. so, so pretty. See, this is the side that doesn't have it on it. And look at that. Love it. Let's kind of do the other side so we at least look halfway matching. And I'm all about dewy complexion, and it kind of makes you feel like you have that going on. So, and it's a really, really soft kind of baby pink. It just gives you kind of that natural glow. I'm trying to see if I can build it up on my hand so you'll even see it. Isn't that pretty? Just this natural hue, like you were out in the cold or out running. So, so stunning, so pretty. I am super excited about this. I do have version number 22. Here we have from Tarte. It is the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconuts, botanicals to help nourish and soothe skin appearance. Retails for $30. Because it has the coconut in it, I think I'm gonna pass this one along to a friend or maybe save it for an upcoming giveaway for you guys. I've already started setting stuff aside for our next big giveaway. So help us get there. When we hit 800, we're gonna do another one. I've got a 700 subscriber giveaway that's already filmed. That'll be up shortly. So we're working towards that 800 number now. Help us get there. I've been loving Glow Recipe products lately. This is their Water and Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Does retail for $28. Immerse skin into a hydrating mist with an ultra fine and delicate. It envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. Does retail for $28. I am so excited about this. People wouldn't normally get excited about a lotion, but have you tried these? I think I first got one in a FabFitFun box. I have since ordered another one, and I have tried, this is the guava. I had the guava. This was my first one that I got in a FabFitFun box. And then I ordered another one. And right now I'm trying to go through the mulberry vanilla body butter. Is the one I'm trying to go through now that I personally have. And then, so I am excited about this. You guys, this stuff works. This stuff is amazing. So it is a rich, so it's a body butter. It's a rich and luxurious body butter, deeply softens and smooths and nourishes the skin. Our Shea Butter Moisturizer is the perfect lotion for our dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. It does retail for $32 for 7.95 fluid ounces or 235 milliliters. Guys, this stuff works. It smells, oh, it's so relaxing, and I love this. Can't say enough. Love, love, love it. By Faccia Skincare, I've never heard of that before, is a 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. Retails for $100. It's a 24 karat gold foil moisturizing cream. Helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. I do have somebody's birthday coming up that I think that I'm gonna give this to them to, so I'm not gonna unseal this. I'll put in pictures here and now for you guys, but I think that's really kind of cool. Little pamper you time. by Karity is the Picante palette. Spice up your life with this hand-selected 31 perfectly pigmented shades in multiple finishes that are as warm as a summer night. Packed with hot, fiery shades, sure to create endless looks, perfect for your day to night. Does retail for $29. There's no mirror on this side. It has a bunch of kind of like golds, and it's all a pretty warm tone palette. Besides this kind of bottom row, I don't go for a ton of these other shades. So because I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway every month, I think I'm gonna save this for a future giveaway, so I don't wanna swatch it or anything. So it comes to you brand new. So I got some amazing products for me. Cannot wait for this. Cannot wait for this. These two are like, blew me out of the water here. Let's total up this box really quick. So the total of this box came to $259. Remember, you only spent $35 for 6 products in here. 2 products that I'm super excited about. These 2 products alone, combined them together, came to $72. So I think you're definitely getting your money's worth out of this. You know, I got a bunch of different products for you guys that I'm gonna do in upcoming giveaways. And then I got a product to give as a gift. It's another cool way to kind of use things. So, I mean, I think I definitely got my money's worth. What did you guys think? Did you guys get different stuff in your box? Or what were your favorite things in this one? Let me know all that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means the world to me. It really does. When you guys like, subscribe, leave comments, let me know how your day's going. I love interacting with you guys. Hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you, so that way you know when our upcoming video will be posted. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other cards for you guys if you want to check out some more of my videos. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.